Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into an interesting topic, habits. Whether you're learning English or improving your English listening skills, understanding good and bad habits can make a huge difference in your daily routine. This video will guide you through simple, easy-to-follow habits that can improve your health, success, and even your English A1 level. So stay tuned and let's start building better habits together. Introduction. Habits are actions we do every day. Some habits are good and some are bad. Good habits make us happy, healthy, and successful. For example, brushing teeth is a good habit. Bad habits, like eating too much junk food, hurt us. Habits shape our lives and affect our future. What are habits? A habit is something we do often, usually without thinking. For example, drinking water when we are thirsty is a habit. Habits can be small or big. Brushing your hair is a small habit, but exercising daily is a big one. Repeating an action daily helps it become a habit over time. Why habits matter? Habits are important because they save time and energy. Good habits make us better people. For example, studying every day helps us learn more. Bad habits, like staying up late, make life harder. If we choose good habits, we can improve our health, happiness, and success. Good habits. Good habits improve our lives. Eating healthy food gives us energy. Drinking water daily keeps us fresh. Sleeping early helps our body rest. Exercising makes us strong. Saying thank you and please is polite. Good habits make us better, kinder, and more successful people. Examples of good habits. Reading daily is a good habit. It helps us learn new things. Helping others is another good habit. It makes people happy. Cleaning your room keeps you organized. Writing your goals down helps you stay focused. Practicing good habits makes life easier and more enjoyable. Bad habits. Bad habits harm us. Watching too much TV wastes time. Eating junk food is bad for health. Staying up late makes us tired the next day. Not cleaning your room can make you feel stressed. Bad habits seem small but can hurt us over time. We should try to change them. More examples of bad habits. Biting nails is a bad habit. It is unhealthy and makes fingers look bad. Using your phone too much is another bad habit. It takes away time for family or studies. Skipping meals is unhealthy too. Bad habits can make life harder if we do not try to stop them. How to change bad habits. Changing bad habits is hard but possible. First, know the bad habit you want to stop. Then replace it with a good one. For example, drink water instead of soda. Start small, like going to bed 10 minutes earlier each day. With time and effort, bad habits can change. Tips to stop bad habits. Ask for help from friends or family. They can remind you of your goal. Reward yourself when you make progress. If you fail, do not give up. Keep trying until the habit is gone. Write your plan down. Seeing your goals can help you stay focused and motivated every day. Building good habits. Good habits take time to build. Start with simple actions. For example, read 1 page of a book daily. After a week, read 2 pages. Slowly, it will become a habit. Practice every day, even if it feels hard. Write down your habits and track them to see your progress. Morning habits. Morning habits help us start the day well. Wake up early, brush your teeth, and drink water. Eating a healthy breakfast gives energy. Writing your plan for the day helps you stay organized. Some people exercise in the morning. Morning habits make your day productive and happy. Evening habits. Evening habits help us relax and prepare for the next day. Turn off your phone or TV before bed. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Read a book or listen to calm music. Write about your day in a journal. Sleep early to rest your body. Good evening habits help us feel fresh. Exercise habits. Exercise is a great habit. It keeps us healthy and strong. You can walk, run, or do yoga. Even 10 minutes daily is good for your body. Exercise also makes your mind happy and reduces stress. Building an exercise habit can improve your health and make you feel great. Healthy eating habits. Eating healthy is a good habit. Include fruits and vegetables in your meals. Drink water instead of soda. Avoid eating too much fast food. Eat at the same time daily to build a routine. Healthy eating habits make you strong, give you energy, and keep you from getting sick. Studying habits. Good study habits make learning easier. Study a little every day instead of cramming. Find a quiet place to study without distractions. Write notes to remember key points. Take short breaks to relax. Good study habits help you focus better and understand your lessons. Reading habits. Reading every day is a good habit for the mind. You can read books, newspapers, or magazines. Start with short and simple stories. Reading helps you learn new words and ideas. It can also be relaxing and fun. Reading daily improves your knowledge and makes you smarter. Helping others. Helping others is a kind habit. You can help your parents by cleaning the house or help friends with homework. Small acts like opening the door or sharing food make a difference. Helping others makes you feel happy and builds good relationships with the people around you. Learning English habits. Learning English takes practice. Speak English daily, even if just a few sentences. Watch English videos with subtitles. Listen to English songs or podcasts. Write one sentence every day in English. Make these small habits part of your routine to improve your English skills. Tracking habits. Tracking habits helps us stay focused. Use a notebook or app to track your progress. For example, mark the days you exercise or read. Seeing your progress motivates you to continue. Habit tracking also helps you understand which habits are working and which need more effort. Positive thinking habits. Thinking positively is a great habit. Start your day by saying something good about yourself. Focus on solutions, not problems. When things go wrong, remind yourself that tomorrow is a new day. Positive thinking helps us stay happy and deal with challenges better. Rewarding good habits. Rewarding yourself helps build habits. For example, if you study well for a week, treat yourself to something nice. Rewards can be small, like watching a favorite show or eating your favorite snack. They make the process fun and keep you motivated to build good habits. Habits and success. Good habits lead to success. Waking up early gives you more time for work. Planning your day helps you finish tasks on time. Reading and learning every day improves your skills. Successful people often have strong habits that guide them toward their goals and dreams. Habits and health. Habits affect our health. Good habits like exercising, eating healthy, and sleeping well make us strong and happy. Bad habits like eating junk food or sitting too much can harm us. Choosing good habits is the key to a healthy and balanced life. Conclusion. Habits are an important part of life. Good habits make us happy, healthy, and successful. Bad habits can hurt us. Start small, stay consistent, and build good habits one at a time. Changing habits takes time, but with effort, we can shape a better future for ourselves. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful for your English listening practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos to improve your English. See you in the next video.